love math, enjoy math, learn with Alice Math.
Hi guys, welcome to Alice Math class. Today we continue talking about the translation. As we talked in the previous lesson, translation means we move upwards or downwards, or move to the left side, to the right side, and obviously we just move vertically or horizontally. So today we continue to look at some questions. The first question, the point negative 5 lies on the graph of y equals fx. Find the coordinate of the corresponding point on the graph of gx. So the gx, and it's written in terms of fx, equals fx minus 3 minus 4. So according to the previous lesson, so if the previous function fx and make some translations into another function fx minus 3 and then minus 4, so we can translate it by a vector. The vector is a, here is 3, and the b equals negative 4. b equals negative 4. And which means x minus 3, we can regard it as move to the right side by 3 units. Move to the right side by 3 units. And then minus 4 means go downwards by 4 units. By 4 units. And the point negative 2, negative 5 lies on the graph of fx. So we have the previous point negative 2, negative 5. And now we move to the right side by 3 units. So right side means the horizontally. Horizontally means we didn't change the y coordinate. We just changed the x coordinate by 3 units. To the right side means add 3. So it's negative 2 plus 3. And then the y coordinate keep same. So now actually equal positive 1, negative 5. The new point on the new graph, and then continue to move downward by 4 units. So this means translate vertically. Vertically means we keep the x coordinate the same. So 1 still keeps the same. And then negative 5 should move down 4 units. So negative 5 should minus 4. So it's minus 9. Minus 9. So the corresponding point on the graph of gx is 1 minus 9. If you are familiar with this translation, and you can write down it directly, for example, negative 2, negative 5, how to make the translation into another corresponding point. And here means what? X minus 3, negative 2 should plus 3. And then go down by 4. Go down by 4. So in negative 5 should minus 4. Minus 4. So actually the answer is the same, and equals 1, negative 9. But here be careful. Normally, if we write it this way, fx minus 3, we means move to the right side. So the x coordinate should become bigger. Okay, so this is the first question. Now let's move on to the second question. Suppose fx equals x squared. This is a parabola. It's transformed to gx. So we can rewrite the gx in terms of fx. So it's f, replace x with x minus 3. So it's x minus 3. And then add the constant at the end, plus 2, plus 2. Okay, so according to the function, and we'll find Actually, we make the transformation with x minus 3 means move to the right side. So fx move to the right side by 3 units. And plus 2 means go up. Move upwards by 2 units. So let's look at the first point. Negative 3 line. The x coordinate should add 3. So negative 3 add 3. And then go up by 2 units means the y coordinate should add 2. So the final coordinate of the corresponding point is 0, 11. 0, 11. Okay, the first point, 2, 4. Use the same way. Move to the right side by 3 units means 2 should add 3. And then keep the same x coordinate and go up by 2 units means 4 plus 2. So the new coordinate of this point is 5, 6. Let's move on to the question B. Find the point on fx which corresponds to the following points on gx. The previous question, and they give us the point on fx and find the new point on gx. Now it is in inverse way, means they give us the point on gx. So how do we go back to find the fx? So according to this graph, you see fx go to the right side by 3 units and then go up by 2 units, and we can got gx here. If we want to start from gx and then we go back and return to fx, so we should use the inverse way, means we should go down 2 units. And then go to the left side by 3 units. So we need to use the inverse way. Now means go down 2 units. And then move to the left side by 3 units. Here is gx, here is fx. Okay, so we start from the point 1, 6 on gx. Now move down 2 units. So the new point with the coordinate, move down means the vertical coordinate. So x coordinate is the same, and then we just take away 2 from the y coordinate. So it's 4 here. And then go to the left side by 3 units. So the left side means we should make the x coordinate is smaller. So it's take away 3, 1 minus 3 equals negative 2, and then 4 as the y coordinate, because this is translated horizontally. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer is negative 2, 4. The second one, negative 2, 27. So we can use the same way as the first question. So negative 2, 27. So first we can go down by 2 units. So it's negative 2 and 25. This means move downwards. Next, we need to move left side by 3 units. So means to take away 3 from the x coordinate. It's negative 5 and 25. Okay, so this is the final result. Even though we know the graph of fx and gx, but we needed to sketch the graph. We just rely on the function form and then to find the correct answer. Okay, It is the whole procedure of these questions. If you are interested in any other topic you want me to explain, you can leave it in the comment section below. Keep on learning, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.